Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix flashlight not working on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Here are some troubleshooting tips in order to fix your flashlight not working on your iPhone. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've turned off the low power mode. The low power mode disables some feature on your iPhone in order to conserve the battery power, so when it is activated, the color of your battery level appears yellow instead of green. So in that case, you won't be able to use your flashlight. Simply go tap Open Settings if you've turned on the low power mode on your iPhone. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Battery option. Make sure that you've toggled off the button right next to low power mode in order to turn off low power mode on your iPhone. Once you've done that, you might be able to solve your flashlight issue. Even after you've turned off the low power mode, you may find that your flashlight still doesn't work. So in that case, you can charge your iPhone. Simply plug your iPhone into a power source and start charging it. Another thing you could look out for is to make sure that your iPhone isn't too hot. When your iPhone gets too hot, the flashlight may stop working. So in that case, let your device's temperature lower down naturally. Place your iPhone in a cool and dry place, away from direct sunlight, and wait for quite some time, and you might be able to fix your issue. The next thing to do is to remove the flashlight from the control center. Tap Open Settings from your iPhone. From the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Control Center button under General. Give it a tap and tap on the red minus icon for your flashlight and tap on Remove in order to confirm. Once you remove the flashlight from the control center, you might be able to fix the issue. If you'd like to add the flashlight back again, scroll down to More Controls section and tap on the plus icon in green right in the front of flashlight, and you'll be able to bring it back to your control center. Those were some of the troubleshooting methods you could try out whenever your iPhone's flashlight is not working. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.